Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Cooking World. Today we're gonna make honey chicken. These are the ingredients: ginger, garlic, 2 red chili, and green bell pepper, onions, red bell pepper, spring onions, and of course chicken. For coating the chicken, we need all-purpose flour or maida, and 2 spoons corn flour, and salt, and 1 egg, and sesame seed for the decoration at the end, and pepper, dark soy sauce, red chili sauce, and of course honey, because isn't it honey chicken? Let's marinate the chicken. Let's add egg, added everything, so now let's mix it well. My favorite part. And mix. Wow, look at the chicken. Now keep it aside for 10 minutes and then we're gonna fry it. Now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer. If you want, you can deep fry it in the oil. Cook for 400 degrees and then cook for 5 minutes and then flip and then cook it for another 5 minutes. So let's do it. Yay! This is how my chicken looks after 10 minutes. Let's saute. So we have to add a little bit of olive oil. Whoa! Now the oil is hot, so let's add 2 red chilies. And then now let's add this ginger. And then garlic. Now let's saute. Saute. It's time to add onion. Saute well. Now we can add red and green capsicum. So let's do it. Saute well. Now it's time to add the sausage. Red chili sauce. And little soy sauce. Now we have to put tomato sauce. It's coming. But now our star ingredient is honey. So let's do it. Boom. Look how colorful it is. Now I'm gonna add corn flour with water mixer. So let's do it. And then my favorite part, you know what it is. It's mixing. Now it's time to add chicken. And mix it. Oh, look how yummy it is. I'm going to add spring onion. And then my favorite part, it's the mixing. Look at my yummy honey chicken. I decorated with sesame seeds at the top. And now it's time to taste it. Oh, it's so yummy and delicious. Try this yummy dish and enjoy. And thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. See you later.